2 blocks of cream cheese. Whip it. All whipped. Now add 3 cups of crab meat. Add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 cup of yellow sharp cheddar. 1 cup of sour cream. 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. And 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Place it in a baking dish and sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese and some yellow cheddar and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes till it's warm and bubbly.